Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to look at creating terrain, and we're going to start with creating terrain automatically, which will give us quite a realistic looking terrain. So what we're going to go up to the terrain menu and choose edit terrain. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this little icon that says generate terrain. And in here, there are a whole lot of features. First of all, feature size determines the amount of land that you can create. Next one down is bumpiness. So it determines how much bumpiness or deformation there is of the surface. Detail determines the number of times effects will be applied. And then we've got variation. Uh, it's where it plants the islands. So it's like random seeding of the islands. Then blurring sets the number of times smoothing is applied to the noise filter. And then you've got sharpness of the base and step. Sharpness of the base determines the sharpness of the surface, and sharpness of the step determines the number of times the sharpness filter is used on the surface. So we're just going to go ahead and press OK using these settings. And as you can see, we've automatically created terrain. It's not showing up on our water yet though. The white parts of the height map are the height, and the dark are like the lowlands. And this would look quite cool for quite a large power struggle level. Let's press OK. Okay, I'm just going to hold down S and go up high, hold down Shift to go a little bit faster. One thing you'll notice is this light patch. This is where you can create your terrain. You cannot create your terrain out here. This is where we made our set our map size. This big square section here. If I change the speed down here to 5, we can now move quite fast over the terrain we have just automatically created. Okay. From here, you can modify the terrain manually as well. And we're going to look at this in the next tutorial.